Okay, guys, what's going on, guys? Strikeout Plays here today, and welcome to a kind of a newer video. Basically, I'm gonna try and show you guys how to install mods for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. I'm also, if I have time, I'm also gonna do one to how do you get mod packs for Java Edition for those of you who are Java players. But anyway, let's get right into it. And so the first thing you want to do is, well, yeah, ignore my ugly background. I just love that game. Anyway, what you want to do is you want to go to mcpedal.com. Great, you're there, and you don't know what to do from here. So what you want to do is I got to move my screen recorder overlay over here. There we go. Now I can see. So you got your mods, your maps, skins, texture packs, seeds, and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how to install maps, mods, and I'm going to show you know what, I'm just going to show you guys how to install all of this, because why not? So we're going to start off with the maps. The maps are awesome. So what you want to do is you want to go to the .mc world. It works with the other ones, but you'll just have to go through more stuff. So, we're gonna just scroll through here until you find something that catches your eye. Okay, Minecraft Skyblock, because why the hell not? Excuse me. So, what you want to do is you can read the description and everything like that. You got desert, savanna, swamp, dark oak, spruce, birch, jungle, the nethers also. Okay, cool. So what you want to do, like if you're doing something like this, like what I do is I take a screenshot of this for Skyblock, because why not? Just gonna save that to my desktop save. Okay, so you got that. You took a screenshot of that. So then you want to go down here to the download section, which is close to the bottom. So you can install the data pack or the actual world. I think for this you would need both. So, well, we're going to install both. So yeah, it's going to launch Minecraft and do the thing. Oh, that's probably lovely for you to hear. Sorry. Import started. Okay, great. The data pack is installed. So would that be here? I don't really know how to work the data packs, but I just kind of installed it. Okay, thank you. So now I gotta come over here. If your downloads disappear, don't fret, I should say, and just go over here to downloads. So you want this one. So it starts the import. Failed. Okay, that's the data pack. Okay. So I installed the wrong thing. That was my fault. So you go back here, and you go here. Level import started. Import successful. What do you do from here, then, you ask? You simply play the map. Boom. You're here. Function F1. See? Look at that. You're playing the map, and yeah. So then that's just map. What do you do next? So we're going to do a mod next. I tried this once before, but it did not go well. I can tell you that for a fact. So then you want to go to the same website and go over to mods and add-ons. Uh, okay, Project Mine World. Dogs, other really cool stuff. This has a lot of crafting recipes. I'm not going to bother. uh, let's just do the food craft mod. Look at all those cool foods. Probably. Oops, what was that? I just kicked my garbage can. Sorry about that. All in all, really cool. So what you want to do is you want to click this. It's probably going to take you to another thing, which I guess is bad. So if this happens, instantly go back and try the alternative. See? Foodcraft behavior. So if that happens, you want to instantly go back. So that mod is out of the question. Because you want what you want to do with this mod, with this game, with the way I'm doing this, is you want to try and stay on MC pedal or Mediafire. Okay, we'll try the Ors Plus mod. Okay, guys, I am back. Sorry about that. My dog was barking like a lunatic. There's not a lot of mods that I'm interested in here. In a little bit, I'm just gonna... Okay, we'll do the Lucky Blocks mod, because that's one of the most iconic mods. I just want to be sure. Do not do this unless I allow. So what you want to do is you want to block that and click skip. If it says that again, I'm testing this. Okay, so it seems to be safe, but just to be safe, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna make sure. So we'll just let that go, and we'll do the add-on. If possible, you want to stay away from those. For one reason, because they, like I said, they're risky. So if that redirects you, just click off and try a different mod. And it's import started. Successfully imported the Lucky Blocks. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to come over here, click play, create a new world, and you want to activate all of these. Create. Okay, so we're here. / game mode 1. Okay. So we're just gonna grab a block, and I need a dropper. / game mode S. Open your inventory, do this, that. This is testing to make sure that it actually worked, and like an idiot. Like that, and like that. I forgot to enable the thingy. Don't do that. You always have to enable the actual pack to play it. Lucky blocks, activate, activate. Okay, so once you do that, you click continue, and don't be an idiot and forget to do that. Come on, load. Boom. So now if I do this and that. Yes! So you crafted yourself a lucky block. Great. Now you just place it and you break it. And something random like this will happen. So yeah, don't die. Like a professional. So that's how you install a mod. So now you're wondering, that's cool and all, but I want some skins in skin packs. So once it loads, my imported skin here is the Ori skin. So, hello, game. Boom. So that's my custom skin. Function F5. Function F5. So yeah. That's one, and you're wondering how I got this. Pretty simple, actually. So you go back to the Lucky Block, or not Lucky Block, you go back to MC Pedal and go over to Skin Packs. Skins and Skin Packs. Okay, so we'll just do this one. So you got a lot of skins in there, right? Got Popular Momos, Jen, Preston, Fundy, and a bunch of other YouTubers. That's a lot of skins. Downloads. So you want to download the .mc pack. Okay, why is it not downloading? Okay, so let's go back here and try the .zip. Once again, that won't work. So what you want to do is you want to go back and try and find another skin pack. Like I said, they're like, it's way above my pay grade to be discussing this, but it's the Minecraft Legends pack is the one that you guys saw. So let's just do, I don't know. That was a lovely sound, probably. Let's try this one, I guess. Once again, so it's probably going to keep bringing you to link verts. So I'm sorry about that, but okay, so that was safe because I got virus free. So thank you for that, McAfee. This is not sponsored by them, even though I wish. Let's just try this one. Okay, there we go. I found one that worked. So once again, all you do is just click it. And it'll automatically import. That's really cool. So thank you to Mojang for doing that. Anyway, so once it imports, I'll show you the skin pack, and that's where we're going to leave it off. I hope you guys did enjoy. So I go here, edit character. And look at that, we got the Legend skin pack. Air 404, remember that, that's funny. We got Ender Brian. We got Nether Brian. Anti-Null. Unknown Man. We got Alex Bryan. So these aren't really like legends, but but they're really cool. Here's the Minecraft Legends pack. We got Green Steve, Null, Lick, Entity 303, and Hero Brian. So I hope you guys did enjoy this. It took me a bit to get this out because it was like my first time. But anyways, I hope you did enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.